That is, we're going to convert a binary number to decimal, and in the previous video we saw its vice versa process. So similar to our previous video where we converted a decimal number to binary, so in this tutorial we are going to be converting three binary numbers to decimal numbers. If you have seen our previous video where we converted three decimal numbers to binary, the binary results were these as shown on the screen. So here we are going to convert them back to decimal number so that it gets verified that we get our original answer. Now the answers which we get will be the questions from the previous video. So if you haven't checked that video, you can check it out so that you get an understanding about how to convert decimal to binary. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first question is 1100 binary which needs to be converted to a decimal value. So you can draw this table as I have drawn and first write down the binary number in each block 1100. Now the next step is to assign positional values. So we start from the right to left. This is at the 0th position, this is at the first position, this is at the second, and this is at the third. Now the next step is to calculate positional weights. Now when converting a binary number to a decimal, the positional weights to be applied to each digit is always into power of 2. So in this case the positional weight of this value is 2 raised to its positional value 2 raised to 0. For this it is 2 raised to 1. For this it is 2 raised to 2. And for this digit it is 2 raised to 3. Now once we have assigned these positional weights to calculate the decimal number, here is the formula. 1100 binary is equal to multiplication of these two values, that is 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus again multiplication of these two values 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. Now these two are going to be equal to 0, so we neglect them. So the answer is 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 8 plus 4, which gives us the value of 12. So 1100 in binary is equal to 12 in decimal. So let's see the next example. Now in this numerical we have a fractional binary value. So the way we convert this to a decimal is slightly different. So in this numerical we have a fractional binary number which needs to be converted to a decimal number. So in this case we are interested in this fractional part. So we first write down that fractional part in the table as I have drawn. Now here we assign positional weights starting from left to right, and these positional weights are in terms of power of 2 and negative powers of 2. By that I mean this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3. So when we apply positional weights which are always powers of 2, we have 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, and 2 raised to minus 3. Now calculating the final value of 0.101 binary to decimal, we have multiplication of this two numbers 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus multiplication of these two numbers, that is 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus multiplication of these two numbers 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. Now this is equal to 0, so we ignore this. So the final value would be 2 raised to minus 1 plus 2 raised to minus 3, which is equal to 0.5 plus 0.125. Now solving this we get our final answer, which is 0.101 binary corresponds to 0.625 in decimal. So now let's move on with the last sum. Okay, so the last question is a combination of the first and the second question, wherein we have an integer part as well as a fractional part in binary which needs to be converted to a decimal number. So we first write down the entire question or the entire number in the table as I have drawn. You can ignore this decimal point, but I have drawn it for convenience. Now for the integer part, we assign positional values in this direction starting from 0. So this would be 0, 1, 2 and 3, just like we did in the question number 1. So assigning the positional weights, which are powers of 2, we have 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. For the fractional part, we assign positional weights in this direction, and these are negative positional values starting from -1 and -2. So the positional weights would be 2 raised to -1 and 2 raised to -2, just like we solved in the question number 2. Now calculating the entire value of 1111.01 binary will be multiplication of these two, that is 1 into 2 raised to 3, plus multiplication of these two, 1 into 2 raised to 2, plus multiplication of these two, 1 into 2 raised to 1, multiplication of these two values, plus 1 into 2 raised to 0, and for the fractional part, multiplication of these two values, 0 into 2 raised to -1 plus these two values, 1 into 2 raised to -2. On calculating the integer part, we get the value as 15, and on calculating the fractional part, we get the value as 0.25, which gives us our final value 15.25. So we reached our final answer. So 1111.01 in binary is equal to 15.25 in decimal. So now we have seen all the three variations when converting a binary number to decimal. That's it for this video. So we just did 3 numericals with different types and its conversions. In the next video, we'll see the conversion of decimal